Labs. My name is Lorena, and today we are going to learn a few editing tricks on a platform called Canva. In the world of social media, we have come to understand the importance a visual can have on the viewers and how it is part of helping a business grow. Discovered the importance of visuals and how not only does it help a business grow, but also represents the purpose of the business. And I learned this from working in an internship with Illuminate Education. We also had to insert images that had to be edited in the best quality possible before being inserted into the site. So we're going to dive straight into editing our photos. Let's go. So we're going to search up canva.com and it should bring you to a website like this with the setting like this. And then I already have my account, but you're going to press sign up. And you can use your own email if you have one, or your parents. And so I'm going to press login. Taking a minute. And so once you're logged in, once you create your account, you should see something like this. And so today, since we're going to learn how to edit photos, we are going to click on create design and start with an image. And then I'm gonna choose one from my drive. And we're gonna do this one. So it's gonna show you that the image is uploading, and just to wait for it to completely upload. Don't press anything. So then once this shows up, you're gonna put edit image. And then you're going to click on the image, and at the top you're going to see effects, filter, and you're going to see like the different things showing up, popping up on your left hand side. And then adjust, crop, or flip. And then there's also different features that you can use, but we are not using any of these. Well, some maybe, like elements, which you can add like shapes, frames to your image, or text, or music. But we are going to focus on editing the image. So we're gonna go to effects. Okay. So we're gonna put filter, and if you want to make it brighter or into like lighter, darker color, you can put. So I'm just gonna make mine like a little scary, so I'm gonna stick with street. And I believe here in the bottom you can put how dark you want it. So I'm gonna put 75. And then I'm gonna put adjust contrast. It's gonna be like the contrast of the darkness. As you can see, the higher I go, the more darkness shows up in the cave. So, and the less it goes lighter. So I'm gonna put a little bit of darkness in there. Let's make it like scary. So brightness is like, as you can see, more light it brings into the image. The lower you go, the more dark, I guess, like a little less bright it is. Well, yeah, it's brightness, right? So I'm just gonna leave it, I think, 20. And then you can use, and then contrast. It's like darkens like the inside of the little tunnel or cave. So I think I'm gonna put it darker. And then saturation gives it color to the image, so the higher you go, the more color it gets, and the lower it goes, like the less color there is. So I think I'm going to put -30. And then tint, like as you can see, there's the colors of the rainbow, and so like the more you go on the color, so say I go to purple, like the filter over the image is going to be purple. Say I go to yellow, the image is gonna look yellow, but I don't want the tint on my image, so I'm gonna put 0. And then blur, so it's just like unfocused. As you can see, the higher you go, the less focused it is, and the less you go, it's not that focused, but you can definitely see the image more. So I think I'm going to keep it I think 20. And then X process also puts like a filter over it. So I think I'm gonna put 20 as well. And vignettes is, so like as you can see, the higher it go, like the sky looks darker. So since I want my image a little bit like scary, I think I'm gonna put it at 100. So then you can adjust like you can put music added to it. But I don't want any. So you can add text and we'll just say welcome back. So you're gonna grab it from here and you can put it there. We learned a bunch of tricks to enhance your photos, and now you can use these tools for your own website or platforms. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.